Liposan Ultra is a safe and effective weight loss supplement when used in conjunction with a responsible diet and exercise program. Liposan Ultra is an ephedra-free natural dietary fiber that is composed of chitosan, which has been shown to interfere and prevent the digestion of dietary fat in Vanson HaloSource's laboratory studies. In this demonstration, we will compare the fat-binding ability of Liposan Ultra and regular chitosan. This laboratory demonstration simulates the fat entrapment advantages of Liposan Ultra in the digestive system. The two test tubes are filled with equal volumes of dilute hydrochloric acid, simulating the same acid present in the stomach. Liposan Ultra is added to the left test tube, while an equal amount of regular chitosan is added to the right test tube. Both test tubes are gently agitated for a short time to simulate the stomach's mixing action. Notice that the Liposan Ultra dissolves immediately, while the regular chitosan does not. Vanson HaloSource's scientists have developed a patented method to improve the dissolving characteristics of chitosan. The solubility of the Liposan Ultra is the key to the entrapment of fat you might consume. In the laboratory, fat entrapment is a process in which fats and oils become complexed with chitosan. Published scientific laboratory evidence demonstrates that chitosan-entrapped fat is resistant to the action of fat digestive enzymes. The test tubes are then allowed to sit for 2 minutes. An equal amount of corn oil is added to each test tube to simulate the fat and oil contained in a fatty meal. The partially digested contents of the stomach are passed into the intestines where the stomach acid is neutralized. This is reflected here by the addition of an equal amount of a bicarbonate solution to each test tube. Studies in living systems have demonstrated that the ingestion of chitosan with a meal significantly increases the excretion of dietary fat. Chitosan-entrapped fats and oils resistant to the actions of fat digestive enzymes would pass through the digestive system and would not contribute to caloric intake. The test tubes are then shaken to demonstrate the emulsification of dietary fat with chitosan as they enter the intestines. The test tubes are then allowed to sit for 45 minutes. Notice that the test tube with Liposan Ultra contains a near-complete uniform gel. The soluble Liposan Ultra has formed a stable emulsion that has entrapped all of the available corn oil. In contrast, the test tube with the regular chitosan is separated into 3 distinct layers. An aqueous layer containing neutralized acid is found at the bottom of the test tube. The central layer is an unstable emulsion containing the regular chitosan and some of the corn oil. The top layer is unbound corn oil. Here in close-up, the aqueous layer, the unstable gel, and the unbound oil. Liposan Ultra has entrapped all the fat in a uniform and complete gel. To complete the demonstration, the test tubes are uncapped and inverted over a beaker. Here, the dramatic difference between Liposan Ultra and regular chitosan is readily apparent. The test tube containing Liposan Ultra has formed a uniform gel that stays in the test tube when inverted, whereas the test tube containing regular chitosan pours out into the beaker without any significant entrapment of fat. The uniform gel in the Liposan Ultra test tube falls out when given additional agitation. Laboratory evidence indicates that Liposan Ultra is 3 to 5 times more effective than regular chitosan. A double-blind, placebo-controlled human trial was published in the spring issue of the Journal of American Nutraceutical Association, which corroborates this observation. In order to scientifically justify these results, Vanson HaloSource will continue to perform additional human trials with Liposan Ultra over the next few years. The demonstration you have just seen shows that Liposan Ultra is clearly superior to regular chitosan. For more information, contact Vanson HaloSource at 425-881-6464 or Wilkie Resources at 800-779-5545 or visit our website at www.liposan.com.